Have you tried everything healthy and are yet struggling to lose weight? Are you also confused as to what is actually healthy and what is not? Is wheat good for you or should you go gluten-free? Is diet cola healthier than regular cola? Are cornflakes better than your favorite parathas? Or is artificial sweetener better than sugar? Well, no one person has all the answers, and that's why I have a team of 100 plus dietitians that have helped formulate our award-winning healthy natural eating food plan that is customized for your needs. Hello, my name is Megha and I'm the co-founder of TrueWeight, India's leading food-based healthcare company. My team and I have helped 30,000 plus people adopt a healthy eating pattern and healthy lifestyle. We can help you too. It is very simple. We start with an absolutely free health consultation to analyze your current eating pattern, your dietary habits, and your lifestyle. We will give you customized tips on how to kickstart a healthy life. And the best part is that this initial consultation will be absolutely free. That too, at your home. It pains me to see so many of us struggling with diseases like obesity, diabetes, thyroid, PCOS, etc. Nutrition is the key factor, and I have seen tremendous benefits with minor changes in food and lifestyle. Please trust me on this and take action now. Book your free consultation now to learn from the experts.